Hey everyone, welcome back to Affilicom. Today we have something super exciting to talk about, the Cooseon 4L Mini Mirror Fridge. Yes, you heard it right. A fridge that not only keeps your beauty products cool, but also serves as a stylish mirror. Let's dive into the world of beauty and convenience. Just look at this sleek design. The Cooseon Mini Mirror Fridge is perfect for your beauty and skincare essentials. With its 4-liter capacity, it's compact enough to fit on your vanity, or even in your car, making it a must-have for beauty enthusiasts on the go. What sets this fridge apart is its versatile functionality. It's not just a cooler. It can also heat your beauty products. Whether it's cooling down your favorite face masks or warming up your lotions for a spa-like experience, the Cooseon Mini Mirror Fridge has got you covered. I've been using the Cooseon Mini Mirror Fridge for a while now, and it has truly transformed my beauty routine. No more running to the kitchen for chilled products. Everything I need is right here at my fingertips. So if you're looking to elevate your beauty and skincare game, I highly recommend the Cooseon 4L Mini Mirror Fridge. Check the link in the description for more details and let me know in the comments if you've tried it or if you're planning to. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more beauty and lifestyle content. Until next time, stay beautiful.